In this video, we will talk about the introduction to IP addressing. Let us start with defining what is an IP address. An IP address refers to an address that is usually assigned by the network administrator or your internet service provider in order to uniquely and universally identify each device on an IP network. Well, it is unique in the sense that each address defines one and only one connection to the internet. Take note that two devices on the internet can never have the same address. However, if a device has two connections to the internet via two networks, it has two IP addresses. And it is universal in the sense that the addressing system must be accepted by the host that wants to be connected to the internet. Sa ngayon, we have two types of IP address. First one is the IPv4 and the second one is IPv6 or the IP version 4 and the IP version 6. Ang IP version 4 ay merong 32 bits in length. Ibig sabihin, may 32 na ones and zeros kang makikita sa address na ito. Ngayon, para mas madali itong basahin ay hinati-hati nila ito into 4 bytes called octets with a decimal point between each byte. Ang 1 byte ay nagko-consist ng 8 bits which means that they divided it into 4. At ang mga octet na to ay nag-range lamang from 1 up to 255. So, ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng magkaroon ng negative at hindi rin siya pwedeng lumampas sa 255 like 256, 300, and etc. Ang tawag sa format na ito ay dotted decimal. Since we are human at kung makakakita ka ng mga ganitong klaseng mga numero, malamang sa malamang sumakit agad ng ulo mo. Kaya, we usually represent it as a decimal. Example is 192.168.1.1. And behind the scene, it is actually in binary. And IP address is divided into two parts, which is the network ID and the actual host. The network tells the segment where a device is located at the network, while the host defines the specific device on a particular network segment. Ano raw? Ang network part daw ay ang tumutukoy kung saang parte ng network nakakonect ang iyong devices or ang iyong device. Habang ang host naman ay ang tumutukoy sa particular na device sa isang network. Ang IP address ay klase ng address sa internet para malaman kung saan galing at saan ipapadala ang information na tumatawid sa network. Gaya ng address mo sa bahay. Ang address mo ay binubuo ng house number, street name, city, postal code at kung ano-ano pa. Ang network address ay pwede nating ikumpara sa pangalan ng street nyo, while ang host naman ay pwede nating ikumpara sa house number ninyo. Halimbawa, kung si John Smith ay nakatira sa Block 9, Lot 69, Kapugian Street, ibig sabihin, makikita mo ang tirahan ni John Smith sa network na Kapugian Street at ang specific na location niya ay nasa Block 9, Lot 69. Ibig sabihin, maraming host address ang pwede mong makita sa isang network address. Dahil sa isang street ng lugar nyo, ay maraming bahay ang pwede nating makita. Ngayon, kung ikaw ay may IP address na 192.168.1.1, paano mo malalaman kung sa aling network ang device mo? At ano ang specific address nito sa network na yun? Para malaman mo yun, ay kailangan mo gumamit ng mask. So, ano nga ba ang ginagawa ng mask? Na-identify nito kung hanggang saan ang network portion at kung saan naman magsisimula ang host portion. IP address is using the prefix or the CIDR notation to identify the mask of an IP address. It represents how many bits are being used by the network. Example, if we are using /24, it means that the network address stops after the 24th bit, and from the 25th bit up to the 32nd bit is your host address, which means that ang network address mo ay 192.168. Let's say, yan yung Kapugian Street, and the remaining parts will be your host address, like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.1.2 or 192.168.4.5. Lahat yan ay pasok pa rin sa Kapugian Street hanggat hindi nagbabago yung 192.168. But if you use 192.169.1.1/24, nasa ibang street na yan or nasa ibang network ka na. And for the purpose of unicast routing, IPv4 address is divided into categories called classes, which define large, medium, and small networks. Ginawa ang classes during the early days of the Internet by the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. We have 5 classes of IP address: Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class E. At napakadali lang malaman kung nasa anong class siya nabibilang. As far as the routable addresses, on the first octet, Class A ranges from 1 to 126, while Class B, it's between 128 and 191, and Class C, it's 192 through 223. Class D ranges from 224 to 239, while Class E ranges from 240 to 254. Let's first talk about the Class D and Class E. Class D is used by multicast address, and Class E is reserved for future or experimental purposes. So magpo-focus lang tayo sa Class A up to C. Since ang purpose ng classes is to define whether it's large, medium, or small, Class A can cater 128 networks, while Class B can cater 16,384 networks, and Class C can cater 2,097,154 networks. Since mas konti ang kayang i-cater na network ng Class A, ibig sabihin, mas maraming natitirang bits para sa host, which means na mas maraming host o devices ang kayang makater ng Class A kada network nito. Take note that Class A IP addresses has 16,777,214 hosts per network, while Class B IP address has 65,534 hosts per network, and Class C IP addresses has 254 hosts per network. Ibig sabihin, kung kailangan mo ng maraming devices sa isang network, gumamit ka ng Class A IP address. At kung kailangan mo naman ng mas maraming network segment sa buong network nyo, ay gumamit ka ng Class C IP address. Another thing that I want you to be aware of is that there are some private address space based on an RFC, and it's RFC 1918 or Request for Comments number 1918. It allocates some address space from each of the classes that can be used inside the companies. When the companies use those addresses inside, then don't have to tell anybody about it. In the RF 1918 addresses, in Class A, any IP addresses that begins with .10 anything, for example, is 10.0.0.1 or 10.12.3.1, while in Class B, any address that begins with 172.16 through 31.anything, for example, is 172.16.0.1 or 172.30.0.1 or 172.31.0.2. And lastly, Class C, any IP address that starts with 192.168.anything. For example, 192.168.169.69. Those addresses are called private IP address, and they are assignable to your devices. And any addresses aside from those addresses are called public IP addresses. Example is 12.3.44.5, 100.0.1.3, and etc. And public IP addresses can be either static public IP address or dynamic public IP address. Static is a fixed IP address, and it is used primarily for hosting web pages or service on the internet. And the computer always keeps the same address every time it connects to the internet. While the dynamic IP address, from the word dynamic, which means nagbabago, dynamic IP address is chosen from a pool of available addresses and changes every time it connects to the internet. Most internet users will only have a dynamic IP assigned to their computer, which goes off when the computer is disconnected from the internet. Thus, when it's reconnected, it gets a new IP. And to make it possible, it uses DHCP or the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Take note that the internet uses public IP addresses, and your devices uses private IP addresses. Another thing is private IP address is not routable in the internet. Ibig sabihin, private and public addresses cannot talk to each other. In this video, we define what is IP address. We learned that it has two types, IP version 4 and IP version 6. IP version 4 is a 32 bits in length and it is represented as a dotted decimal. We also learned that there is different classes of IP version 4, Class A up to Class E. And lastly, we talk about the public and private type of IP address. I hope that this is informative for you. For more videos, please subscribe and click the bell button. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ng video na ito, ay pakipindot na rin ang like button. So, paano? Kita-kits na lang tayo sa susunod na video. In this video, we define what is IP address. We learned that it has two types, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is 32 bits in length and it is represented as the dotted decimal. Since we are human, at kung makakakita ka ng ganitong klaseng mga numero, malamang sumakit agad ang ulo mo. Kaya the network tells the segment a device is located in the network, while the host define the Halimbawa, kung si John Smith ay nakatira sa Buisit lang Manuka. Ibig sabihin, maraming host address ang pwede mong makita sa isang network address. Dahil isa-isang street. We have five. So, as far as routable, it allocates some address space from each of the classes that can be used inside companies. And when the companies use those addresses inside, they don't have to tell everybody. And public IP addresses can be either static